your left. There's the sunrise. Your left. All right, I think my hand was covering the camera there. Sorry about that. Morning. Thanks for joining me today. So we're going early morning bike ride. We left earlier this morning around 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. I don't know, it was pitch black outside. So we decided to stay off the road and just stay on the West Orange Trail here. Right now we're about at mile 20, about mile 20 now. A lot of people in the path today. They're as busy as it normally gets. On your left. We're heading towards Winter Garden, and then gonna head northwest towards Claremont. Depending on time, we might make it to Claremont, we might just have to turn around. I only have about 2.5 hours this morning to ride, so figure I get out early so I can get back early. Got a whole bunch of projects I gotta do at the house. We're remodeling the bathrooms, so we gotta take care of that eventually, and also gotta work in the yard. All right, well, thanks for checking in again. It was good to see you guys here. Well, we have a couple new videos for the Mavic Air 2 coming up, so that should be coming out either this evening or tomorrow morning. So you got that to look forward to. All right, I'll let you guys go. Get out there and enjoy the sun. All right, ciao.